Peter mentioned that at one time his father was taking apples down to the railway station at Beechworth and sending them away by train. And in fact, he sent apples to Wagga. And I'm wondering, did you use the train for any kind of shipping of apples?
We did. We used the train to bring empty banana boxes, we call them, bush and a quarter from Melbourne. The van's full of them at times. You know, we had an agent where we could get them in Melbourne. They collect them, and then they're making money by selling us to us growers. You know.
So you owned them.
So we owned them. Once we paid, I don't know what it cost us. I forget now. Be 2 or 3 bob each, I suppose. Those days, shillings. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you didn't actually send your apples away by.
No,
by train.
we did from Albury to Sydney a lot. Vans used to take you'd get I think it was a 12-ton van, as they call them, in louver van. Not refrigerated, just the louvers.
Yes.
And we'd take 2 truckloads and fill one of those up to go to Sydney.
And what era would that have been?
Oh, now let me think. In the 70s.
Yeah, so that would have been going to the old Paddy's Market, the old
Yeah,
Central
and
Market in
private
Sydney.
buy, yeah. A black person called George Stanley. We lived in Stanley, but his name was Stanley.
And he was your agent in Sydney.
Yeah, well, he bought it.
Yeah.
He bought it. He'd give you a nominated price, and that's what you got.
Yeah.
Yep, yep.